Let's try to check first, or let's try to know what is the Movado. I think this is glow in the dark. The machine inside, it's good day. So we are here again to review another watch. The name of the watch, as you can see there, it's ESQ. So ESQ means Esquire, okay? And then it is the lower end of the Movado Group Quartz movement watches. Movado is an American watchmaker. They are well known for its museum watch. The Movado Group's brand includes Movado, Concord, EBEL, and MVMT. Plus, they license the brands of Olivia Burton, Coach, Hugo Boss, Lacoste, Tommy Hilfiger, Scuderia Ferrari, Rebecca Minkoff, and Yuri Minkoff. And then also Movado previously manufactured other licensed brands, plus previously owned Piaget or Piaget. I don't know how to pronounce that word. Now let's try to open what is this ESQ watch that we are going to review today. So ta-da! Okay, so this watch, okay, so it is a white dial watch, and then it has only one numeral there, which is number 12, and then the rest are sticks from 1 to 11. That is their indicator. And then the size of the watch is 40mm by 45mm stainless steel case. So this is an ESQ men's watch by Movado. And then as you can see there is, I think that is the model number there, okay, or the serial number of this watch, the ESQ. So it's all silver. Okay, so and this is a water resistant watch, water resistant to 50 meters, converted to feet, that is 165 feet. And as you can see here, the ESQ name is there on the deployment clasp. So this is the kind of deployment clasp that this watch has. Okay, so this one, okay, there. So this is a white dial once again, as I've said earlier. Now, white dial or silver dial with navy blue accent there. Stainless steel, including the back side, and then it also says there it is Japan movement. Face wise, I would say nice looking watch. It's a very common looking watch though. There are watches that has the same look on this one. But what I don't like with this watch is it doesn't have a calendar. I really like watches that has calendar. And I don't think one of those subdials would indicate calendar. Another downside is the bezel. The bezel is fixed. I really thought that when this watch came in, I thought the bezel is, you know, kanang malihok siya or not fixed. Another downside of this watch is, try to listen. See? I don't like the sound of the band. It's for me it sounds cheap, because I have other watches that it doesn't sound like this. But you can always change the band. if in case you want to change the band, you can always change the band, or you can always order an ESQ band to replace the band of this watch. I also don't like this kind of deployment clasp. There are better deployment clasp out there. Another thing also is I'm not familiar with the subdials here. What are their function? I do not know, because if you're going to press this one, see, it goes counterclockwise. And then I think if you're going to press, no, this, I think the lower one. See, if you're going to press the lower one, it will going to move clockwise, and then it will stop where it began turning to clockwise. But you can always reset that one. I tried this one earlier, how to reset this one. Then I was able to reset it on 30. See? And then when this moves, this also moves here. And then I do not know what's the function of this one, and then I also do not know what those numbers are for, because I thought this is a military time, but it's not, because this is 4 and then 80 or 8. That is 8, that is 4, that is 8, and then 12, 16, 20, 24. And then I really do not know what are the function of those subdials. It's a rugged looking watch, and then the band, it has a common design band. This one is the middle is shiny, and then this one it's matte or like rough finish on both sides. Okay, there. I like the color combination of this one, the white silver and then the navy blue. Yeah. But overall, if you're going to look at the watch, overall the face of the watch, it's nice looking watch. The face, this one, and then the size, I like it. There. I like the look of it. Okay, so this is ESQ, short for Esquire. I think that's it, and then see you next time for another watch review. Okay, see you next time. Bye bye.